Now fasten your seatbelts and ensure your armrests are down. Ensure your tabletops are closed and window blinds are open in preparation for takeoff. May we once again ask you to take a few minutes to read the safety card in the seat pockets in front of you before takeoff. Thank you for your attention and we trust you have a pleasant flight.
So keep watching and liking. If you love it, subscribe it.